Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows and Surfshark are current. This prevents many compatibility errors. Once done, reboot to clear hung services. Next, open Surfshark as administrator so permission prompts don't block changes. Temporarily disable other VPN clients and any custom firewall rules. These commonly steal network adapters or block the service. You want a clean environment before changing adapters or reset settings, because that lets the app recreate drivers and routes without external interference, saving time later. Now focus on adapters and network stacks. Open Device Manager and reinstall the Surfshark TAP or WireGuard adapter. Right-click and choose Uninstall, then reinstall from the app if needed. You should run command prompts, netch winsock reset and ipconfig/flushtons to clear socket and DNS issues. Also check services and set Surfshark services to automatic. Start them if stopped. Doing these steps repairs low-level networking and ensures the VPN can create virtual interfaces and resolve names reliably. Finish by testing connections across protocols. Switch between WireGuard and Open VPN UDP or TCP to see which routes work. Run the Surfshark diagnostics tool and reproduce the failure so logs capture it. Save those logs for support if needed. If problems persist, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall, delete leftover Surfshark folders, reboot, then reinstall. If still broken, one key tip: temporarily connect to a different network, mobile hotspot, to rule out ISP or router-level blocks before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.